Hey guys, so I am doing some skincare real quick. I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff today. I'll be doing some try-ons. I'm going to be doing some skincare. Well, the skincare right now. I'm going to be doing some unboxings, all that stuff. So let me know if you guys have any questions at all. And crap, did not get a wet paper, or not wet paper, a towel. All right, hold on you guys, you're coming with me. I need to get my towel ready so you guys are getting a little tour. All right, how is your guys' Sunday so far? Up close and personal, people. Yeah, I totally forgot about the time change. Oh, it is difficult. I don't know why. I struggled getting my workout in. I struggled just getting myself started and all that stuff. So, all right, so I'm having like really bad acne like problems. So today, apparently I can't talk. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our acne line, which just launched this year. I'm going to use that mainly because I have like some breakage going on. Not just because of like my masks or anything. It's just mostly mostly because of like I'm not really taking care of my skin properly, and that's my fault. So I'm going to use this stuff to dry out my skin, like my stuff. Granted, I did do some skincare while I was in the shower, but obviously gotta make sure that you're taking care of it seriously. So yeah. But this skincare is mostly prone acne. I do have some acne issues, so this is a really good way to dry up like your skin and stuff. Well, dry up your pimples and stuff. So try some. Alright, and then my next thing is our pore purifying toner. So I'm toning my face real quick as well right after I got done with my cleanser. And I'm just gonna pour some in on the towel. And it's always good to like dab that in there. So I opened up, like I cleansed, so I like opened up my pores, so like my pores are definitely taking in the toner, so that's a good thing. We do have the acne collection on the new arrivals, so if you guys would like to check that out, sorry, I can give you guys my link and you guys can easily be able to you can go on and go on my website and you guys can be able to check that stuff out. Because I feel like it works. It doesn't really have like a big scent to it or anything. It just smells like skincare, personally. But alright, so which one? Okay, so I'm gonna go with the Acne Blemish Control Serum. So this stuff is really nice as well. And this is what it comes in. And I'll tell you guys in a little bit, in a second, like what this stuff does. It kind of Alright, so the serum, it is for, of course, sensitive skin, paraben and gluten and fragrance free. Let's see. Let's see. It doesn't really tell you much of anything, but it does give you like a tacky feel, which I think will like dry out like your skin and stuff for your pimples. I've used, when it was like snowing really bad like a few weeks back, I was using the Acne line like religiously because like I had like acne like really bad. So I was using that one continuously and I kind of stopped using it, and I should not stop that. I need to continue to do lives with my skincare because it's, you know, it needs to happen. Alright, so just so you guys know, I use our Acne Balancing Cream, Willow Bark Water, Earth and Marine Water. This mattifies, nourishes, and hydrates your face. So, I used this stuff pretty much because I'm going to be doing my makeup in a little bit. So, I mean, this will help with your makeup as well, your makeup routine. But, I don't know, it is so good for you guys to do skincare. I try to do my skincare every day. Mainly it depends on like what my skin needs a day. It could be our Lumi Radiance line, our charcoal line, our aqua line. We have the Rosewater line. I got the Age Reverserist. I don't know how to pronounce that. I got that line. And then not only that, I do have non-pharmacy skincare products that I use as well. Our Tea Tree line. We have a bunch of different types of skincares available that you guys can definitely use. So I'm going to do a pre-recorded video, and I'm going to be posting it on here and like all my platforms. So if you guys have questions about this skincare line or the makeup that I'm going to be using or other skincare related items, let me know. I'd love to help you guys out. And I hope you all have a great Sunday, and you guys will see me very soon because I'm going to be doing a makeup video, makeup try on, an unboxing, probably another thing, a skincare. I don't know yet. I have not yet decided. But today's a busy day. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.